Marantec here. Finally made it. Finally made it. What do I mean? I mean they finally made it. Show me what you're talking about there, David. Well, I ordered one. It's kind of funny, the story. I ordered one from Service Spring almost like a month ago. And then Joe stopped by and he dropped me one off back here. So I got the one from Service Spring. Here's the rail and one on the skid that finally just showed up. Joe made it faster. Joe gave me one to try out. So thank you, Joe. So anyways, I'm going to crack this puppy open. We'll take a look inside and see what it's all about. And we'll do another video later with one installed and let you guys know how it works out. With the Marantec brand here was, for one, the one that Joe brung me was in this box, which is, about my arm's length, so it probably can fit in his trunk better of his car, because he's a salesman, and of course he is driving around everywhere, so he probably doesn't want a big long rail, and he's not driving a pickup truck, wasting all that gas. So if you order from these guys, the Service Spring guys, which for whatever reason, I love Service Spring, but they took a month basically to get this opener to me. It comes in this big old long rail, which my ceilings in here are probably about 9 feet. So you can see it's a big old rail, solid piece, which is kind of nice. But it looks like they had a heck of a time shipping it. Because I know I did have to come semi, so that is something that if you do order it through Service Spring, you have to take in consideration. So anyways, otherwise let's open this thing up and we will go from there. Ahoy, mateys! Now, where do I start? So, this is kind of one of those things that you have to open up your mind. You have to open up your mind to new things. So, of course, their first impression is always like that. Ooh. I don't know, because it's like, it's something new. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm scared. But, so far, it's just a 2-piece rail. Let's give you a little more up close and person here. So, as we can see, it's got the front pulley here. Looks like it's got a little grease. No, I'm sorry, that's not the front pulley. This is the operator side. So that is probably going to be similar to, let's say, like a Genie. Got your adjuster right here. Everything feels pretty solid for metal. It feels a lot more stout than like a Genie opener, that's for sure. So, what do we got going here? Put a little extra padding in here. Let's see. Assuming one of these is your pull for your emergency. Okay. It looks like there's another one down here. Okay. Here's your front nose bracket. Feels a little heavier. Not too bad. Nice and stout. Looks good. I'm not really sure at the moment where the piece is. Oh, it's already on here. Okay. So here's the piece that's going to join the two together. Okay. Okay. Very good. All right. All right. So back to the head unit. Obviously, this is a made in Germany product. Let's check it out. Got your manual. More stuff. Probably warranty stuff. Return in 10 days. Oh, let's see. Alright. A new command 108. I'm not quite sure what this is. It's probably something to do with the camera system. Got your wall button here. It's definitely going to be a lot more interesting when I get it installed in the field. So you can see your wall button. You'll see how it runs out in the field. It'll be the cast me out. We got a couple brackets. Not quite sure what those are. Like I said, this is really foreign to me. But we're definitely going to give them a shot. I believe this is a transmitter. Let me open it up. So this is your transmitter. Kind of looks like a key fob for a car almost. Kind of different. It does have a clip, so that is nice. It's got the clip here. I can get it out. It's got your clip for your visor. Alright. Holy moly! There is some parts included, some assembly required. So we got a bunch of brackets and stuff, which will make more sense when we go to install this bad boy. What's in here? Transformer? This might be something to do with the camera. It looks so high tech, I don't know. It looks so high tech. Well, basically for right now, this puppy needs to get installed. More stuff. Got your photo eyes. Which the photo eyes look like something from Star Trek. They probably light up maybe when they fire up, but they're just like totally black. So that's a little different. A little different. And then here's your video camera. It's got your little display here. What you do is you actually put this on your shoulder like this, and this is what you take videos with from now on. So welcome to the new YouTube University. Yep, just like that. So you just kind of swipe down this, and no, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. This is the head unit. So it's got your LED. It's going to be up here. It's got a little sprocket. It's got a little sprocket up here. That's probably where it's going to go to. This thing, what is this? This is probably for the camera that you can have on board, things like that. It's got your program. This is definitely one of those things that we got to get a video of this getting installed, because this is above my pay grade. And but I'm excited. Try something new. These guys have been very helpful. Well, it's kind of neat. I don't know if that's neat or different. Where you take your power cord, you can kind of plug it in like your computer at home, like a desktop. I don't know what I think about that. It's kind of different. So anyways, I'll make an upcoming video of us installing this and it running so you guys can hear that. I apologize because I really wanted to get one of this Power Master that I got. So I wanted to get you guys one of this too. This Power Master getting installed. This big old guy, if you watch my other video, it's upside down. My bad. But they haven't set the rail. The trucking company is lost it the first time. Now they're coming back a second time. So we'll make an upcoming video of that. But thanks, Marantec. Thanks, Bryce and Joe. They've been very helpful. So if you guys are looking maybe to broaden your horizon, as I am, because I'm kind of getting sick of LiftMaster. I'm definitely, for one, I'm not getting any help from them. I don't get any kind of reach out, and that means a lot to me as a small company. You know, when you're in this industry, you want something that's just going to work. It's not going to call, or you're not going to get a bunch of callbacks, because you got to remember, callbacks cost you greenbacks. Don't forget that. So these guys have been very helpful. I'm going to give them a try. We'll see how they do, and you guys can decide. Maybe comment below. Comment below if you guys have used them before. If you like them, don't like them. I'd like to hear. So anyways, until the next time, I'll give you an update when we install this thing, and we'll just go from there. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Keep trucking, and we'll catch you in the next one. Take care.